Back in the old days, like literally when this building started out, you sort of came in and you kind of looked at stuff and you picked something out, and that was sort of what you got. One of the nice things about what we're doing here at Diamonds by Rothschild is we're kind of bringing the future to this old school tradition in Pittsburgh. 3D CAD, 3D printing, immediate prototype services. The building's never seen this, which is kind of like crazy. It's the only 3D printer in the building ever. So we're really pushing the future in the tradition of jewelry in Pittsburgh for sure. Old school jewelry making was sort of slow and clunky. And so EnvisionTEC sort of came to this process that was kind of already in place, but we just needed to tweak it a little bit for our space, was to rapidly print models so that the consumer can enjoy it during their meeting. I can literally show a customer a 3D model in an hour. That is revolutionary and groundbreaking. 3D printing allows us to push design. It allows us to push innovation. It allows you to live without inventory if you needed to. Your ideas are your inventory. And so imagine having just this unlimited inventory of just designs that you can design in CAD, print on a 3D printer, and then present to the client almost in a seamless fashion, just like it was a retail transaction. 3D printing is going to enhance craft. It's going to enhance the future. I personally believe that this is literally the savior of our industry, the savior of American manufacturing. That's super special.